So a lot of people have been asking me, like, what's the whole point of me making so much money selling options? And the whole point is freedom, right? Freedom is the whole point. And excuse me while I'm like putting away like dishes and stuff. The whole point is to make as much money as possible to technically buy my freedom back. And what is the freedom that I'm talking about? My freedom is this mortgage. Um, I know it goes against like every like investor's fundamentals to pay off a mortgage that will eventually get paid off over time. Because what I keep reading, the average length you stay in a house is like 7 years, and then so it's like, why pay off a house that you're not going to stay in forever? I personally think, I believe that this is like our forever home. Um, it would take something drastic to get us out of here. And if we wanted to move, we could at least. Or we could just upgrade the house and keep turning it into like the dream house. But for right now, it seems like it's like a forever home. So it's like, and then again, why would you pay it off? It would give me the freedom to leave my job, because even though I'm making so much selling options, it would give me every reason to leave the stable nursing job that I have. So again, for those that don't know, I'm a nurse. It would give me every reason to leave nursing. I just wouldn't have to do it anymore. As simple as that. I'm just like, the whole point people stay in nursing or go to nursing is because of stability, right? And I'm not even saying that I want to leave my job. My job is technically, compared to like bedside nursing, very easy. So it's like, my job isn't hard. It's not even taxing. It's very doable, and people would wish to do the job that I do. It's a procedural nursing, so I'm not even going to gatekeep it. It's a very easy, could be technically fun stuff. So how am I going to pay off the mortgage early? Am I going to do it in like lump sums? Am I just going to put an extra few dollars every month from my paycheck in? No. I'm going to, two ways I'm thinking about doing it. The first way is scale up this portfolio big enough within the next 3 to 5 years where I could just write a check from it, like cash out some, write a check from it, and just be done with the mortgage. Like, simple as that. Like, that's it. Just get it done and out. Like, that would be the most beneficial. That'd be the most fun to do. Just write one check and be like, nope, done. Don't want to do it anymore. And that would be cool. Or what I could do as well is that when I get this portfolio to like $500,000, which I feel like should only take another year and a half, start, like, if I consistently make these 20K months, start taking a third of it. And because also like another third will go to taxes. I'll take a third of it, put in my checking, and chunk away at the mortgage. So if I made 20K, what's that divided by 3? Like six-ish, 6 and change, 6 grand at a time every month. If I'm making 20K consistently, 6K at a time, take it out of the market and take down that mortgage, like 6K at a time. So they'll just round it to 7. So 7 times 7,000 times 12 months is 70K. Technically pay off the house, because I only have like a little over 350K left take out the house in like, if I'm doing 7K-ish a month in like 5 years, or even more if I make more and more money with the compounding, like why not do it like that? Like you could chunk away that way or chunk away like really big chunks at a time. There's certain, but that's what I want to do with the selling options. I just want to do that. And then the next question is like, oh, but you could be making so much more money if you use that extra 70 grand a year if I do go that way to make more selling options and make more premium, and then you can do even bigger chunks. That's why I would also get rid of my rental properties. I already have a lease to own on one of mine, so in a few years that will be fully paid off to the new owners, and then I'll have all that extra cash to throw into my brokerage account, which would be amazing. Just all that extra cash that from that first house, just throw in the brokerage account. So that could be like 100K, throw in my brokerage account, and that can make a significant amount of money. And then I have a second house, which we're eventually going to sell, either another lease to own or just sell it outright. Hopefully it's a sell outright. Then I could get a big chunk of change, anywhere from like 60 to 100K, straight into my checking, which could either go towards the house or go towards my brokerage account, that's what I'll probably go to first, or like half and half, and then use that money to sell options with as well and make a significant amount off that. So there's many factors that I'm going to weigh to buy my freedom. And the reason why I want to do that is just to be more around for my kids and have days like this. My kids are hanging out right there. I make a little 10-minute video and then I go back to playing with them. And like, these are the things I want to do, especially as my kids get into like school and sports and all that. I want to be able to be at all those events and not have to worry about making extra money or anything like that. So kind of long video, but this is my goal with selling options, is to eventually pay off the house and then grow it so big that it can just fully replace not only just my income, but my wife's income, and still be able to pay like insurance and all that. So that's the goal. But for now, pay off the house. One of us will go part-time or per diem, so we still have healthcare benefits through the work through our employer, and then we'll figure out where to go from there. But seems like a solid plan. Hopefully it works out. Keep watching to find out if it does. And either way, I'll still be making option selling videos. And if you want to learn more about that, check out the links down below. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.